And hello, and welcome back to yet another video of me back testing. And today is day number 8, which means I have been back testing for a week. Well, this I don't know, but I'm getting lazy. You know, the reason I don't do good in trading is because I feel lazy. I have a friend who is an active trader, and she said that it is. I asked her that why are you so passionate about trading, and she said because it gives me money. So I think that is the point because backtesting did not give me any money, and also in the live trading I didn't make any money, so that is why I get lazy, I think. And also with all the losses I have taken, but I'll try. Yeah, I will try to. I know this one is tough for me. I have been learning trading for today's June, so it's almost 2 years, guys. I've been in crypto since January 2021, so 2.5 years. But I only get into trading. I remember that is when the crypto formed, the bubble popped. So that is like back in August. I've been through two major uptrends in the cryptocurrency market. That is the late of April 2021 and the August. No, the I think it's around December. I think November, December of 2021, and I in the August of 21, my friend, the one which I has just mentioned, she started to learn real trading technique, and that is the Elliott wave. Yeah, and everything she learned everything Elliott wave, Bollinger Bands, and everything. She is a really good learner, and also she did trade really good back then in like after only a few months, and she's making money. So I said to myself at that time that I will learn to how to trade, but I only learned to some uh everything that I think all beginners will learn. That is how to read the candlestick and the pattern on the indicators or everything here. You can see, right? Yeah, I know it's the Bollinger Band and RSI, MACD. I mean, pretty much. So, and then until I think around, I think it's around June, after a year of consistent learning. I mean, yeah, I because I saw she so success at with the Elliott wave method, so I learned the Elliott wave method back there, back then. And then my friend introduced me to the price action, which I'm currently using. So, I mean, when learning the alien way, I didn't think that it is for me. It's just, I feel like it is so subjective to my own opinion. And and then when it comes to price action, and I was really into it. I mean, back then was like August 2022, I think. Yeah, around that time. So it's almost a year now since uh learning that technique, and I have not put in. I mean, I did put it into work, but I have not seen any succeed with the price action. But that's okay. It's a learning curve for anyone. Okay, so back at this chart, look like we are at this prior high, and also we are at the key level, which I think it will, as you can see here, there's an OB over here. This one is not that big, so not big breakthrough. There'll be some of the stop hunts if it happened. If it's not, then here is a major key level, and it is testing, and we don't know yet if it will continue the trend or break through. But in the forward chart, we can still see that it is a bull bear trend. I don't know, there are some times that I don't really want to trade. Okay, with the 1 hour chart, we trace back. This is a big one, and yeah, it's been broken. So go to 15-minute chart and looking for a buying setup with the nearest I can. Closest target is here. Let's see, where can I buy? I think there's a good buying setup here, since here is the only place that we can buy, and it is close to this key level. It's going down. I mean, I'm thinking of follow the trend. Like, I'll try to follow the trend if it break out. Like this, I can and target to the closest key level. I think I'll try those methods sooner or later. Oh, if I try that, it will be damn. See? Okay, retesting here, and it's been yep, is the trend has ended, and we can looking for a buying setup, and target would be here, but the first target would be here. So let's see, it will go down. I know it will. And also, I don't really into Fibonacci that much. Although sometimes it did work here already at 50%, you can see here, but to have the highest possibility of winning, probability of winning, I don't trade with the Fibonacci thing. But I think if I want, I can. It will give me a 3. Well, that is I did not expect it. But wait, I will need to do this. Sorry, 2 days of waiting. 3 days, okay. Let's go. Okay, it is back at the retesting the key level right now with a really strong breakout bar like this one. So I don't think that I will enter a pending limit here. If I do wait for a confirmation, that would not be, should not be it. I'll open one here. But either way, it has already retraced back to the beginning of the trend. So that is okay. Quick, really 3R. And I have been reading the trading in the zone, and it's all about the probabilities. And we just, if we see our setup, then we enter the setup, and it will eventually, there will be a streak of losing. But if we do have an edge, then we just do it. I will do it in my real life trading, just like here uh, in my back testing. So, well, I know that it is in a trading range, but it's already reached this point, the lower, the prior high here. But it's nothing. I think that it will at least get up there. So I will look for another buying opportunities here. And this is not a good one. This is a good one. Although it's been retraced back, but not much. But okay, let's see. Okay, big breakout bar. Though it can. Let me see. The safest would be down here, but then the risk reward ratio will not be good, so I just let it go. Although I know that it will go up here according to my analysis. As you can see here, is forming a uptrend structure. Breakout, good breakout. So if I'm sure there'll be a still more good. Okay, it retraces back here to this prior high. Is forming this is a breakout. Retrace back to this one, but I don't think that it is a good key level here that can hold the price. I think it will have stop hunt it if it did get back. Okay. Let me recheck if this price is something. Well, eventually it will have some rejection at some of the demand or supply zone, so that is pretty normal, and we just have to check if it is something over there. So it is a good I mean, if I enter, I would leave it here, but it is already so close to this zone, which I think there will be some rejection here, so I will not enter that. This is a quick 2R. Let me see if I can, but no, it is this is a big breakout, and it is a good, so I think there will be another going down. Yes. Yes, it is retracing back here. As you can see, the breakout here, and it retraces only back here. So it's a big red bar. It retracing back to this key level over here. I have see some rejection, and it break out a bit. I think maybe it will fill the gap here. I just don't know. We can retrace back whenever we want. It's a really big. Oh, retracing back even here. So let's go. Let's see where it's going to retrace back to. It is still a big gap here. And this place, there's a gap here. Also, there's a gap here. I see a buying opportunity, a selling opportunity here. It hit my price. Oh, forming in uptrend. It was too big. Yeah, I knew that I would hit my. I would have stopped there. like I will need to stop there because it's already retraced back to this gap over here. It filled it. So, and it also forming this. So this is a bad trade. This one, I got to tell you that this is a bad trade. And also this one, it's been, I think it is retraced back here. A big red bar. Let me see. Okay, it retraced to this gap here. I wonder if it is testing here again. If it is, then I can. But this is really like dangerous. It is not a good. I don't. I want to wait for the confirmation, and I should probably need to wait for the confirmation here, since there is. I mean, there's nothing here, right? Nothing. But this is also nothing. But this is so familiar. I mean, so I don't think I want another trade. And updating my trading channel. This is a 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay, so I think I will need to wait for confirmation here with this one because this is a really big uptrend. So see, luckily I did not enter another trade. Okay, it's breakout this one, so I just deleted it. And let's go to the 15-minute chart, which I think it will retrace back somewhere, and it will definitely reach. Okay, there is some rejection here, but it will trying to get up there. I mean, and I also think that I will look for the bigger time frame trading, since it is not. It is clear that it is easier to me with those. Okay, but I will time frame. I will have more free time. I mean, I did have a lot of free time already, so this filling the gap here, this is a big one, indicate that it is a big if I buy here, I believe that the trend will continue up, so I will put a stop order here. Wait one more time. Will the market give you a good opportunities here? If I think I'll wait, because the Dow moment, the Dow movement is so strong. The contact is really good here. It might break through this one. Who knows, right? Okay, it's going back here. So if I believe that it will still continue, I will look for. So I will put it here, somewhere in between. So it's already giving me some of the, I think if here that'll be good. We are, let's go. Okay, so it is, as you can see, it is forming the trend here. High, low, low, and low. I think I'll go to 15 minutes. It look a lot more scary here in the 15 minutes. Oh, so it is retracing back to, I think it's already broken out here, so I think it will be a last here. Yeah, it is. It retracing back to this starting point of this one here. So I think I'll wait for this one to break out. I mean, here we'll set it as the major key level of this trend, and I'll wait until the price break out of that to indicate that, okay, so now I can look for a buying opportunity, which I can just enter here. Is still a good one, which we trace back here somewhere, I think. Okay, I'll go to the 15 minute and let's go. Okay. Oh my goodness. Why is there a big Okay, so that is 3 losses in a row, but it's the market, guys. I still believe that this is something behind my back. Okay, I think that, and I know that this is still an uptrend, so it is just a stop hunt, and I will not lose it. Okay, here, this one here. It has not retraced back. But it is okay. I can see it forming the high or low. I think it is going against my. If I identify the wrong trend here, I mean, for the 5 minutes, yes, it did retrace back to the beginning of the trend here. But for the 15 minute, there is no I think I'll wait for a few more bar and I'll get out at break even, but no. So I think it is not what I'm trying to do, but it is 3-4 losses in a row. That is yeah, one zero. I mean, read a lot of book and that's it. The book tell me to enter anytime I want, because I have an edge, but I think that I am blind to this is 3 trades with the same setup, and the market is telling me that I am wrong. So I am so wrong, guys. I shouldn't have done that. I should have waited. So I will. Okay, so I think here's still the major key level, but it got back here at the not even close. So it got here. So I think my take profit point is up for the 5-minute chart. Yeah, my take profit point is wrong. It'll go a lot more down, actually. And now it is retracing back to this key level over here. It did break out, break through this one, so I was looking for a buying opportunity again with my stop loss behind this, and I know that it will Is it good one? I don't think so. Is this a good one? Yeah, I think so. But I still think that my stop loss, my take profit is a little bit too far away for this chart. Maybe. No. Let's see. And again, I think I will manage my trade already. I'll move it to my, is it big enough? Yeah, I will move it to my entry point. Okay, I did get my take profit here. So to make sure that it get filled. Okay. Since there will be sometimes the market won't fill here because the volume is not enough. So you can see the push down here, and it took me 2 days here to win 3 points. So that is what an edge be like. Okay, so in conclusion, there are 2 win and 4 lose in total of 6, which he give me 4 lose here, and I win 7 here. So it's give me 3 R for this trade, which took around 6 days, 6 trading days, or in total 4 days if I don't count the waiting time at first. But what did I get out from here? So these are all my typical losing trade in my real life trading session, which is I don't wait for the confirmation. I don't really I don't wait for a confirmation here, as well as I don't have my realistic taking profit point. As of here, the reason why I'm losing is because I have followed the trend but too slow. The trend has already gone. It forming a counter trend already here, and I still enter. I kept it. So that is the mistake of this one. And the second one, why I buy here, because I see here the order block hasn't been filled. There's an order block here. So that is only giving me an edge if the trend is still continue, then I would have managed my trade. If it here I got 1 hour already, and if I saw this, I would have stopped right, because the uptrend here has been broken. Yeah, so that is another mistake. And this one, although I have to wait for the trend to, climb back to this, but it just flew here. And I think that I was wrong. This is not the beginning of trend. If for the 5-minute chart, this is just a wave, and this is its trend, right? So it's been broken. So here is the new trend. Here it is back here, 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 and here. If I draw it, so, and I think that this is not really a high or low here, lower high or low thing. It's not big enough and back follow through. So although it did give me some of the so retrace back to this major key level over here, and it cannot, as you can see here, it cannot get break out of that. So that is a downtrend. And also once it reach here, so it's still a downtrend there. So or and this one is also a that I've already got almost 2 hours already. So I need to manage my trade once it's forming these, and that way I will not lose. Yes, because people think that this is a strong key level. People in the 15-minute charts, people in the 16-minute chart. Here, people see it as a not so strong. Oh, okay. Okay, so with people, this is just a key level here with the 1 hour chart. My mistake is that I did not looking at the other time frames, which I should. Yeah, which I really should do it. Okay, so that is trade of the today back testing, but in conclusion, I'm still in profit. But if I trade the profit, so I think that to many of us, the goal now for these trading days is that we are able to access to the profit thing, the funded account, with a lot more money, a lot more capital than what we have, and the risk is small too. But there's also a trap there if we cannot manage our trade. So like this one is already four losses in a row, and with some of the problem that would makes you violate their policy, and then your account got suspended. and you lose the money off by that account. So, oh, it's only retraced back here. So the problem is, I need to be more careful if I really want to trade with the proper account. So I think that is everyone goal, right? Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I mean, today I did not trade any live trade because I don't see any opportunity with the market, although there are, but it's still in an uptrend from yesterday, which was already broken out this once. But today I just don't want to trade. It's a lazy day. I don't know why, but today is a lazy day of me and I don't want to trade. That's it. So if I don't have a mood to trade, then I don't want to risk my money. Sometimes it's good keeping your money than losing it, right? Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.